What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. My name is Preston, also known as Tactical Black Guy. For those of you that have never checked out my channel before, I primarily talk about and review guns and gear, and occasionally I'll throw in some tech as well. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a brand new pair of earmuffs that I bought. These are made by Walkers, and these are the Razer X-Trm. These are Bluetooth enabled, and they have the same features as the normal Razers, which look like this. I have a pair in black and I have a pair in green. So I'm a big fan of these earmuffs. They work very well, and to me they're priced reasonably for what you get. Now these cost $80, and I picked them up at Academy Sports. It was my first time seeing these in the store, so I figured I needed to get these. Let's go ahead and unbox them. I've already cut part of the packaging off already, so we'll lift that up. The other thing I like about these is that they have a premium cool band mesh headband. I've never seen that on a pair of Razers either. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and here we go. This is the star of the show. I just dropped the batteries, but it does come with two AAA batteries as well as your instruction manual. And let's open these up and see what they look like. Looks like you have just an on-off button like the standard Razers. You probably have, this is probably to connect the Bluetooth to your phone. And of course, this is where you insert your batteries right there. And you have this cool mesh part right here on the headband. So that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test these out, and I'm going to do a full review of these coming soon. Again, this is just an unboxing, and that's it, guys. The Razer's X-Trm X-Trm, 80 bucks. And I'll talk to you later. I'm out. Peace.